Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another staycation at Suncoast Hotel and Casino. We're gonna check out all the restaurants, amenities, and the fabulous room with a golf view. It's gonna be a great time. Come check it out with me. Suncoast Hotel and Casino is located on the northwest side of Las Vegas. It's surrounded by world-class golf courses and premier dining and shopping destinations. You have to use your key to be able to get up to the rooms. All right, let's check out the room. There we go. I'm gonna go straight to the view because I'm really excited to see. This is supposed to be the golf course view. Oh my gosh, it's spectacular. You guys, check that out. This is the Angel Park golf course. Wow, amazing. Wow. And if I back up a little bit, there's the pool down there. Gorgeous. And the mountains, look at that. Okay, so I'm just gonna start from here. There's a little chair with an ottoman. So this is 2 queen beds with a golf view is what it's called. Gorgeous. Let me actually come from this side because I always start from this side. This is a gorgeous room. It's that view that's the killer. Here's the TV and a desk. Oh my God, you can see that golf course in the back. A couple drawers. I'm guessing a refrigerator, which I love. There's a safe and a refrigerator. Okay, back by the door, here is the closet. I noticed that Boyd Gaming doesn't give, the Boyd Gaming casinos don't give extra pillows and blankets. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Wow, this is big, you guys. Look at that sink space. I'm curious to see if they have a bathtub. And they do. Here's the bathtub. And the toilet is in the same location. What do you say I grab my purse and we head down, see what's happening. You guys ready? Let's go. Let's check out the pool. Here's the pool that we had a sneak preview of from the hotel room. Here you can enjoy games like jumbo checkers and chess, and there are also ping pong tables. Let's walk downstairs for a closer look at the pool. There's a lot of shade during this hour. Day beds are available to lounge in, and there's also a full-service bar, so you can enjoy dining and drinking poolside. There are also fire pits that overlook the pool for those chilly nights in Vegas. Here is the fitness center. It's small, but it's got everything you need. Treadmills, elliptical. Yeah, it's just a square. It's kind of small, but if you want to work out, ride the bike, I am sure we are facing the awesome pool. And we are. Here's the spa. It looks like it's by appointment only. There are 10 different dining options. Let's check out Dupar's first. It's home to the legendary buttermilk pancakes. They have quite a few options other than pancakes, but of course I want to try what they're famous for. I just loved how my pancakes were delivered by this robot. It's so cute. You guys, look how big this pancake is. Yes, thank you. Their other restaurants include Taste of Asia, Briggs Oyster Company, a fine dining steakhouse called Essie Prime, and 9090 Bar and Grill. For a quick cup of coffee, they also have Java Vegas and a gelato place if you want something sweet. For a quick bite, they have Bagel Corner, and located right next to it is a Subway. And finally, they have a sports bar called The Game, where you can grab a bite or drink and watch the game. Suncoast has a huge gaming floor, and if you like table games, they have dozens to choose from. Here are just some of the games offered. The benefit of playing table games off the strip is that the minimum bets are much lower. Tonight, it was at $10 for blackjack. Of course, the 80,000 square foot casino also features over 1,800 of the hottest video poker and slot machines, and they also have some favorite oldies but goodies. They have a new high-limit room, which is actually very nice, but it makes me sad looking at it because I remember Suncoast used to have a pretty good buffet in this spot. They never did bring it back. I am back in the hotel room. I just wanted to talk a little bit about Suncoast. I think this is your hotel casino if one, you like to play golf. You saw the amazing view from my window. It's a great room for golfers. This one in particular is the 2 Queen with a golf course view. And it's close to a lot of great golf courses. If you like and want to discover some great off-the-strip dining, right across the street is Tivoli Village. They have, for one, they have Echo and Rig, which is amazing. They also have Boca Park, which also has some great restaurants. If you don't mind driving about 25 minutes to get to the strip, this is also your hotel. I think it'll be great to go to the strip and kind of have that busy, loud fun, and then come back and stay in a room that's a little quiet, and the casino is a little more quiet. And if you still want a game, the casino floor is huge. There's a lot of slot machine options and table game options with lower bets than you would find on the strip. Tonight, their minimum bet for blackjack is only $10, which you can't find on the strip. So I really think if you're okay with not being right next to the strip, this is a great option for you. Before we head out, I want to show you a few more things like their race and sports book and their 600-seat bingo center. They have 6 sessions daily. I consider Suncoast a family-friendly hotel and casino. You'll find a 64-lane bowling alley with an arcade, lounge, and snack bar inside. And last but not least, Suncoast also has a movie theater. Okay guys, it's time to say goodbye. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps my channel to grow. And thank you so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.